Did you know that by 2025, 85% of enterprises will have a cloud-first strategy? If you're not planning for the future, you're already behind. Cloud migration is not just a technical task, it's a strategic move to keep your business competitive, secure, and future-ready. Think of moving to the cloud like moving into a new house. You wouldn't just toss everything into a truck and hope for the best. You plan, organize, and make sure the end result feels like home. A well-thought-out cloud migration strategy delivers critical benefits like scalability, cost savings, improved security, and anywhere access. Before jumping into the cloud, make sure you're fully prepared. Evaluate your current IT infrastructure, identify key business goals, and prioritize which applications or data to migrate first. When it comes to cloud migration, one size doesn't fit all. From rehosting to refactoring, picking the right strategy is like packing for a trip. Assess your business needs, define your goals, and prioritize workloads based on business impact to avoid unnecessary costs. Choosing the right cloud provider is crucial. Consider cost, security, compliance, and support. Compare popular options like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. The journey doesn't end when the migration is complete. Monitor performance, optimize costs, and strengthen security for long-term success. Migrating to the cloud is one of the most impactful moves your business can make, but it requires careful planning and execution. Ready to take the next step? Ready to transform your business with a cloud migration strategy that works every time? Visit our website at consilien.com to learn more about our comprehensive IT solutions. Partner with us, and let's build a future-proof strategy together.